I was so excited to be back as a contestant in TikTok Chopped until I opened up the mystery box. Chicken and rice is something I'm really comfortable with. I've made a lot of those dishes in my life, but chicken wings and instant Spanish rice, that's not something I've ever messed with. I was pretty disappointed when I saw the instant Spanish rice. I understand we only have 30 minutes in this competition, but I'm fairly certain that the producer had something to do with this. I could see him eyeing me all day. I'm not scared of a challenge though. I was gonna take this and run with it. I instantly thought about this guy on TikTok I've seen. I think his name is Albert Can Cook. I've seen him on TikTok. He stuffed a chicken wing flat. I wanted to take that idea and make one of my favorite dishes, pollo con queso. So the idea is that I'll stuff the chicken with the rice. Then I'll deep fry it, and I'll make some queso that can be dipped in. I think this has all the components for a winning dish. I think the creativity is next level. I know that I can make the dish flavorful. It's just a matter of execution. I've only got 30 minutes. The very first thing I did was I ran and I immediately started getting the oil hot. I wanted to get that up to temperature so that whenever I had my other stuff ready to go, I wasn't waiting on that. Then I decided I was gonna move on to the chicken wings. I knew this would take a while, but that was honestly the biggest challenge. I didn't know how long it would take me to debone those chicken wing flats. And by the time I was finished, I looked up at the clock and there was only 15 minutes left. I've still got to fry the chicken. I've still got to make the queso. This is gonna be a crunch for time. I grabbed the flour. I add some Danos to it. Once I got the chicken deboned, I immediately started to stuff it with the rice. One thing I did not account for is how hot the rice would be out of the microwave. I had to put it in the freezer for a minute to let it cool down so I could work with it. I couldn't stuff the chicken with it yet. Time is ticking. I've got minutes left to get this done. I had to figure out how I was going to keep the rice inside of the chicken. The best way I could do this with the time we had was toothpicks, and it seemed to work fine. Once I got them all skewered up, I put them in the flour mixture and we're off to the deep fryer. Once I got these going, I immediately start working on this queso. I'm doing a really simple version of it because I just don't have time. There's only 8 minutes left at this point. Once I got the queso done, I had just enough time left to get these wings pulled out, let them rest for about 30 to 60 seconds, then I put them on the plate. I poured the queso in the middle and I topped it all with a little bit of cilantro. All in all, I think this is a great dish. I hope that you, the judges, will let us know what you think. Give us a score 1 out of 10, and let's see what these are all about. Now it's for the moment of truth. Let's see what we have here. Oh my goodness. That was like way better than I anticipated. That was really, really good. I'm actually like thinking about what else I can do with these stuffed chicken wings. But it's not up to me, it's up to you. Give me a rating from 1 to 10 on how you think we did, and be sure to give us ideas for the next mystery box.